In this video, we will solve an example problem that involves molarity, molality, and mass fraction. And so if you want, you can pause the video here and attempt the problem. So a hydrochloric acid solution is made by mixing 60 grams of HCl with 80 grams of water. The resulting solution has a density of 1.21 grams per mil. We want to know three things. What is the molarity of the solution? What is the molality of the solution? And what is the mass fraction of HCl in the solution? So let's get started with the first problem. What is the molarity? So we're given 60 grams of HCl per, in our solution, it's 60 grams of HCl and 80 grams of water. So we could say 60 plus 80 grams of solution. Next, we can say that 36.46 grams of HCl makes 1 mole, because this is the molecular weight. So that gives us mole of HCl. So this cancels with this, and now we have moles of HCl divided by grams of solution. So for molarity, it's going to be moles of HCl divided by liters of solution. So now this is where density will come into play. So we could say that 1.21 grams of solution would make 1 mil of a solution. And next we need to convert mils into liters. And so we know that 1,000 mil makes 1 liter. So let's check everything. So gram solution would cancel, mils would cancel, and we finally get moles of HCl divided by liter, which is molarity. And so if we multiply this out, we would get 14.22 capital M for molarity of HCl. And so we can box in this answer. And next we will calculate molality. Molality is moles of HCl divided by kilogram of solvent. So we have 60 grams of HCl, but in this time it's going to be solvent, not the solution. So we can say 80 grams of water, H2O, which is a solvent. And we know that 36.46 grams of HCl makes 1 mole of HCl. So this cancels with this. Finally, we need to convert this into kilograms. So we can say that 1,000 grams of H2O is 1 kilogram of H2O. And so this and this cancel, and we get moles of HCl divided by kilogram of solvent. And so if we multiply everything out, we would get 20.57 lowercase m to represent molality. So we can box in this answer. Finally, we want to get the mass fraction of HCl. So this is actually super easy. So mass fraction is going to be 60 grams divided by the mass of the solution. So 60 plus 80. And so we could do that right here. So 60 divided by 60 plus 80 would give us 0.429 grams of HCl divided by grams of solution. And so this right here is the third and final answer. And that's all we need to do for these three problems.